How you doing? My name is John Gray with Vector Systems. I'm the panel shop technician, supervisor / barber. Got to throw that in there. Cut a little hair here also, but as far as this place has been around forever, 35 years. Before I got here, they already had panels all over the world. They started in the late 80s, early 90s. Great place to work. I've always felt like family. We have 2 skids that we normally work on that we specialize in mostly. That's our AFCU skid, ammonia flow control unit. And basically just controls the ammonia in an application, controls the flow of it, pretty much diluted by a little bit of air and water. As far as our ammonia process control unit, it controls the evaporation, the going to tanks. It does a little bit more, it's a little more complex skid. Our controls are kind of like remote controls to a TV, remote controls to a car. It just basically controls whatever that's going on at that power plant for whatever that they need in that application. And we just customize whatever control panel to that skid and make it work. So we're kind of like catalytic converters to a car. Like we're cleaning the environment, cleaning everything around that power plant, when it comes to ammonia. That's all I got. Thank you.